Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. We are going to do a quick keep or sell goalkeepers edition. This video will be based on the goalkeeping department. I will do a video on midfielders, defenders, and forwards, but this video will be only based on the goalkeeping department. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get to 600 subscribers. Let's get into it. So, Kaizer Chiefs currently have 4 registered goalkeepers. Bontle Molefe, Fiasre Ntwari, Bruce Vuma, and Brendan Peterson. And we are most likely going to sign a new goalkeeper ahead of the upcoming season. So let's start with Bontle Molefe, still 22 years of age, just recovered from an injury which required a surgery and kept him out for quite a long time, So I loan him out. I wouldn't sell him permanently. I wouldn't keep him. I'd loan him out, so that he can gain experience, because I don't think he can play for Kaizer Chiefs currently. I think right now we need a goalkeeper who's experienced, and he just recovered from an injury. So I'd loan him out where he's going to get game time, where he's going to play, Even if it's the Motsepe Foundation Championship, is fine, as long as he's going to play. We are avoiding situations like the Sabelo Khatebe situation, the Duzim Tanzania situation, where you send out players on loan, to prove themselves, and they end up not getting game time. So I loan him out to a team where he's going to play regularly and gain the required experience to play for Kaizer Chiefs. Now let's move to Fiasre Ntwari. Was signed to be the number 1 goalkeeper. Played the first 5 games of the season, and the guy can't save anything. I'm pretty sure he can't save a Word document. But yeah, we are not there. Ntwari is definitely a sell. I'm definitely selling Fiasre Ntwari, and I'm opening up the foreign spot. And he still has, I think, 2 years remaining in his contract. I'm going to make some cash. So Ntwari is definitely a sell, and I think Kaizer Chiefs are going to sell him. Most likely, Ntwari is on his way out. So Ntwari is a sell. Now let's go to Brendan Peterson. Played the last 3 or 4 games of last season, took over from Bruce Vuma, and he did quite well. I think in terms of shot stopping, Brendan Peterson is our best goalkeeper. But he has those mistakes, costly mistakes. I don't know if maybe he loses focus or something. He's also a good leader. He communicates. It's just the goalkeeper you will want as your number 1 goalkeeper. But just because of his crucial mistakes, it's very, very, very difficult to judge him. But I would keep Brendan Peterson. I would keep him, not to be a number 1 goalkeeper, probably to be a number 2 goalkeeper. So I will keep Brendan Peterson. Now let's move to Bruce Vuma, who took over from Fiasre Ntwari. And I was not convinced, mate. I was not convinced. Nabi was not convinced. Hence, in the most crucial games, final games of the season, he took the risk and played Brendan Peterson. So for me, as much as this is difficult, I would keep Bruce Vuma. I would keep him. Also, not to be a number 1, most definitely. Sit him down, tell him, mate, you're not going to be the number 1 goalkeeper. We are going to compete for the number 2 spot with Brendan Peterson. If he's not happy about that, sell him and get some cash. So I would keep Bruce Vuma, but not as the number 1 goalkeeper. So Bontle Molefe out on loan. Fias Rentuari out permanently. Brendan Peterson, keep him as the number 2 goalkeeper. Bruce Vuma, keep him as the number 3 goalkeeper. Thanks for watching. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm out.